Hello everyone, Namaste. Again, I would like to thank Chennai first for the warmest welcome and Vellamal School. Vanakkam. Okay, Vanakkam. So it was the warmest welcome. Thank you so much, and I really love my time here. All of the kids, all of the staff and members here today are lovely. Special thanks to Vellamal School for having me here today as a guest. And I see that the major checks that you've distributed for the sports scholarship programs. And I must say that the goal is really strong, and we must, in order to achieve the goal, we must put in a lot of hard work and a lot of efforts. It doesn't only start from just, aiming at something big. You have to work in order to achieve something big. So I always say, what about your dreams? Like, if you can dream big, you can achieve big. So first start from dreaming big. And I always tell myself that no matter if I win or lose in any competition, I'll always be very confident. I'll always hold myself high, hold myself together, and be very confident. So today coming here is an honor for me. And I started my journey from my school. I started shooting as a career from my school. I don't know if we have a shooting range in the schools yet or not, but any sport, any career field, the beginning happens first from home, then from school. All the teachers, all the parents play a very significant role in how you become, what you become, and what you do with your life. And personally, I would tell you that we have many career options. You don't have to become a doctor or an engineer. Sports life is a beautiful life. I have had 8.5 years in my career in shooting. I've traveled almost half of the world. I've seen so many different kinds of people, their culture, their backgrounds, their struggles. I've known their journeys. So sports career is a beautiful career. Many people dream of traveling. You get that with sports. The financial support, any kind of things, you get everything in sports. You just have to believe in yourself, dream big, and then just put all the amount of efforts that you can and put as much hard work as you can. And any questions or anything, if you'd ever want to ask me, I'll probably be available through one person or other. You can always come up to me and ask me anything. But one thing we always lack, that I have, noticed at multiple levels, is confidence. We should never be ashamed of where we come from, the background, the cultural background. I never knew English. I never knew how to talk to people. I never knew many things. But I taught myself. People helped me to learn different things. You can always approach maybe a teacher, maybe your parents if you want to learn something new. You can always, ask somebody to teach you. So never be ashamed of your cultural background or where you come from. You should carry it with pride, and you should be proud of yourself, how far you've come, and you have a long way to go. So do not give up on any small setbacks if you get, if you do not win any competition, if you do not perform well in any exam, you do not give up. At that instance, you hold yourself together, you get back up and keep going on and on and on. For example, my journey coming from Tokyo Olympics, it was very difficult for me to be confident again. That kind of confidence I was lacking. I was world number 2 and I did not do good in the Tokyo Olympics. So I would say I know the taste, how it feels after losing and then winning. It's the beauty of the sport. One competition you will lose, another you can win. But that will only happen if you put hard work. So all those who want to make a career out of sport, I encourage you, or any career in any field, I encourage you, and I hope that you make a very, very bright future for yourself. And thank you so much, Mohan sir, for having me here today, and Sri Ramji. Thank you so much, and it's a pleasure coming and interacting with all of you. Thank you.